Hare Krishna. I'll be reading about Sri Vasudev Ghosh's Samadhi. Vasudev Ghosh and his two brothers, Madhava and Govinda, are eternal associates of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Sri Nityanand Prabhu. Fixed in Madhurya Ras, they accepted Sri Radhika as their ultimate shelter, that is Ashraya Vigraha. The brothers expertly performed sweet melodious kirtans. Whenever they sang, Lord Chaitanya and Lord Nityanand would immediately dance in ecstasy. Every year they came for Rath Yatra in Jagannath Puri. They led the chanting in one of the 7 kirtan groups arranged by Lord Chaitanya. Vasudev Ghosh used his music and song to preach in Bengal. He wrote many Bengali songs about Lord Gauranga, which are still sung by devotees. In one, he says, "If Lord Gaura had not appeared in this age of Kali, then how could we tolerate living? He have given the very essence, the very charm of life, divine love, without which it is impossible to live in this world. Without Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, how could we ever know that Srimati Radharani reigns supreme in the kingdom of divine love? Having received all these things from the Lord Gaur Hari, now we think life is worth living." In another bhajan, Vasudev Ghosh says, "In your former Leela as Lord Ramachandra, you became famous for constructing a floating bridge of stones across the sea to Sri Lanka. Now, in this Kali Yuga, you have given us the bridge of Hari Nam Sankirtan, by which even the lame and blind can cross the sea of birth and death and attain the supreme spiritual happiness." He is Gunatang Sakhi in Radha Madhav's Nitya Nikunj Leela. His Samadhi is in the 64 Samadhis area. Thank you. Hare Krishna.